Okay, this is another horrible one. So, worst sets ever. This is the worst thing I ever got. Seriously, these LOL dolls aren't even LOL dolls. They are just other babies' bodies with LOL heads. Where is the real life LOL doll? I am so glad that I actually got a real LOL doll in this package, in the Little Sisters package. So here I am. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but probably another horrible one. Because I got a horrible one. So I'm gonna open my Little Sister last because I am scared about these. Just gonna open these. I love them. Okay. Success, good luck, diamond. I don't care about this one because that's just the tough ones mean you're gonna get a horrible one yeah, it's sparkly. Yeah, but it doesn't matter because it's still gonna be horrible no matter how cool it says it is. Yeah, it's still gonna be awful. Yeah, or I'm gonna get a good one. Finally, a different color, so I'm probably gonna get a different outfit, I hope. Seriously, these are like the worst sets ever. Worst LOL dolls ever, except for the babies. I'm getting store-bought ones for a while now. From now on, I am never, ever getting the ones that are mailed to you because those are the worst. These I got like good LOL dolls when I bought them at the store, but yeah, this set is just awful. It's awful. Yeah, once again, another one. I don't know if it opens, I just don't care. Seriously, I am getting them over and over again. Yeah, I don't. Worst sets ever, guys. Okay. So, I think I'm gonna get a different head with it. Okay. This is the head I got. And I got this outfit, so I'm just gonna show it to you guys. The outfit is cool, so I'm gonna just lift this doll up in this outfit. And they're gonna be twinsies. Same shoes as the other ones. You guys, after this ball, I am gonna give you some feedback on how I feel about these. It says unbox me right here. She says it. Same. Where did you guys buy these? Because wherever you bought them, that place sucks. Because these are like the worst dolls ever that I ever got. Seriously, that place sucks wherever you got them. Wherever you got these, that place sucks. They give me two in case I lose one.
Maybe because they suck.
Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna try to lose these and forget my memory about it because that place just sucks.
No, see where we got it from.
Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from? Where? China Post? You guys never go to China Post because if you pick out LOL dolls there, it just sucks. They just suck. Finally for the good part.